Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT R15 and today I will show you how to reset DRM. So to get started, open up the settings. From settings, scroll all the way down to system and then choose advanced. And you should see now reset options. So select it and at the top you have DRM reset, tap on it. Then once more tap on reset DRM and confirm it. Now if you have some kind of passcode, you will need to put it in before you can actually reset them. And yeah, so as you just seen, there was a message that DRM has been reset and the process is now finished. So that is how you reset DRM, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.